Hey guys, it's Instant here, and today we're gonna be doing free PP. Well, it's not really free, but like pretty easy maps that will get you PP. So our first one is called this, whatever. You guys can search up the name, and yeah. So this map will give you like I don't know, like 80 something PP. I think 88 or something like that. So yeah, for an FC. Oh God, I'm lagging. But anyways, yeah. This is like 88 PP, I think. And yeah. So honestly, like if you're new to this game, like I don't really recommend this map, but like you know, this map can be frustrating at times. Like yeah, it's happened to me many times where I raged on this map, but good map, man. Well, you know what? No, fuck this map. I raged way too many times on this map trying to FC this. So yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna let you enjoy the gameplay. Just kidding. My mic is too fucking loud. So yeah, this is Ghost, I think. This thing. Just search up the name on Google or something, and then pretty sure you'll find it. So this is an SC. S rank. So for some of these maps, I think you have to have a higher accuracy. But yeah, that was Ghost. And yeah. This is an FC, but it wasn't an S rank, so like I didn't get that much PP, but like whatever. It's still a good map. Oh yeah, I just messed up an FC like the one like right before this one. So yeah, this will give you 80 PP, I think. I don't know. I should have done my research before I filmed this video. Oh my God. I had sudden death on this one, or yeah, I think that's what it's called. Sudden death. I don't use it much, but like whatever, it's a pretty good mod. What time is that? I think it's like 9:30 or some shit. But like yeah. So this is a really good map. It wasn't that hard to FC. But like that part was hard. Like that part was like it's harder than it looks. Like I'm not the best at this game, but like, you know, easy PP, you know. You gotta be on that constant grind, alright? That constant grind for PP. So yeah, that was Banana Street. It's actually not that like hard of a map because it's like pretty short. Okay, so there's two of them. Both of them are so PP heavy. So this one I FC'd, and the other one I also FC'd, but like that was like a low accuracy FC. Like this map isn't that hard, but like, well, it's pretty hard. But like, it's hard to get a higher accuracy. Like, yeah, it's like in order to like get actual PP, you gotta like FC maps. So like that's why, yeah. Yeah, this map is like so short. What the fuck? Like these Harumachi Clover, like the song is just short in general. Like this one's the same one. You probably have Harumachi Clover, honestly. Like this map is like really popular. I got such like low accuracy on this one. Holy shit, whatever. Hey man, PP is PP. PP is a PP. I kind of messed up on that part, but whatever. Hey man, I didn't combo break. What can I say? Bit of lag. Honestly, this map was harder to FC than the other one, even though it's like a difficulty lower. Okay, love this map. This map is so good. And yeah, you can definitely do this with like mods and stuff. Mods will give you like even more PP. That's great, man. Mods are great, man. Like DT farming, that's great. That's great, man. Might be a dirty PP farmer, man, but bro, you can flex the biggest flexes of your life, man. Come on, man, you can flex on your friends with PP. Like the higher accuracy you get for this one, like well, that's like for all the maps, but like higher accuracy, more PP. So yeah, PP, very epic PP, big PP map. And yeah, that is the 5 songs that will give you a lot of PP. PP farm. PP, big PP.